Will they come today? Today is not just another day. Today, two children may bring the biggest smile to Grandma Jenny.
Today is Grandma Day!
Let's surprise her. We will not tell Grandma.
It will be a surprise. We can walk together.
Yes!
Let's go!
Grandma loves flowers.
She will be very happy. It is a beautiful day. Yes, let's hurry. I love the flowers. Grandma grows flowers too. I love the flowers. Grandma grows flowers too. Careful! I can do it. Oops. Thank you for helping.
What a lovely morning.
Yeah.
What a beautiful day to be in the garden.
Yeah.
The flowers are thriving. It's such a peaceful sight.
She's outside.
Stay quiet.
Shh. Okay.
Okay.
Who is there? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Surprise, Grandma!
We came to visit you.
Oh my goodness! My wonderful children! Grandma Jenny feels the happiest she...
I missed you so much.
We missed you too.
We love you, Grandma.
This card is beautiful.
I made it for you.
We also brought your favorite fruit. This card is beautiful.
I made it for you.
We also brought your favorite fruit. Kindness is the greatest gift.
We will always remember. We will visit again soon. Today made my heart very happy. We are happy too. We love spending time with you.
We will visit you again soon.
Very soon.
I will always be waiting. Kindness costs nothing, but it means everything.
We will always be kind.
And we will always help others. Let's practice today's English words. Grandma, flowers, family, kindness. Great job.
Thank you for visiting us.
Keep practicing English every day. See you next time.
What kind thing will you do for your family this week? Tell us in the comments.